picked up fruits. If I find fruits and vegetables, especially vegetables, I'll definitely take that, and I'll take that home and make good use of that myself.
So the idea is that it's stocked by the community, it's maintained by the community, and those are the same people that are using it. So every fridge is specific to its community, and they all work a little bit differently. They all service different types of people. But primarily, it's a refrigerator that anyone can come put things in and anyone can come take things out.